I hate in the winter how dry my skin gets. So I am so glad that I tried to make my own lip balm because I think I may never buy lip balm again. Hey everyone, welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. Today's video is actually going to be a DIY of a lip balm. I absolutely love this recipe. I feel like it leaves my lips completely moisturized, and I have issues with cracking lips all the time, especially in the winter, and I feel like since I've been using this lip balm, which has been about 2 weeks, I have had none of the issues that I usually have with my lips. So the ingredients are really simple. All you need is shea butter, coconut oil, and beeswax, and then whatever essential oil you choose. I chose to use peppermint and eucalyptus in 2 different batches of lip balm. And I also purchased these little containers from Amazon. I will put a link below to where you can get these. And then I just got these little stickers that fit perfectly from Hobby Lobby, and I just wrote the scent that I use. So for this one, one's peppermint. It was so easy to make, and I made a massive batch of it, so I feel like I'm gonna be good for 6 months. I hope you guys enjoy this DIY. Please leave me a comment below if you try it and tell me what you think about it. Will you ever be purchasing lip balm again after you make it? I wanna know.
So to make this lip balm, all you need are these 3 ingredients and whatever essential oil you want. So you need coconut oil, shea butter, and beeswax. And I also made 2 batches. I made 1 eucalyptus and 1 peppermint. I got these containers, which I will link below, and then a small syringe. So to do this, you could just use like a double boiler. So you just put water in a pot and then a glass bowl on top of it. So I just filled my pot with some water, let that boil, and then I just added all of the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of shea butter, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of beeswax. I let all of that melt and stir it together, and then I took my little syringe and I put it directly into the canisters. Since the container is aluminum, I had to sit it on the counter because it got very hot once I poured the liquid inside of it. So I actually saw this somewhere, and I feel like it was in a documentary about bees, but true beeswax will always go back into a honeycomb shape of some kind. And it was so interesting to see that actually appear in the lip balm. This was the only one that it was so prevalent in. The rest, I guess, were mixed a little bit better, but I just thought it was so cool how you could see the original structure. And that's it.
If you guys are new here, my name is Rebecca. I make videos on wellness, DIY, cocktails, and recipes. I would love you to stick around, so please click the subscribe button and the notification bell to tell you when I upload new content. And I will see you guys next time.